Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning back in. I hope you all enjoyed that last video. Today I'm going to be going back to the same creek, except today is a yak mission. We got the yaks. I'm going to meet up with a buddy. We're going to go see if we can get some of those fall fatties in the yaks today. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video, and hopefully we put some in the boat. So thanks. Stay tuned. We're out here at the creek. We about to hop in the yaks. Head down. We got Eric over here. We got the yaks ready to go. So hopefully these big fall fatties are eating today. It's a little chilly out. We'll see what happens. If they really need it. Oh. Okay. I hate all the bubbling sounds. Whenever you first get in, all the air pressure and shit. Boom, boom. On the way back, but actually, you know what? I'm gonna fish this spot real quick. Got one. Oh, that's a big boy. Oh, yeah. Frick yeah, bitch. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Right in the top. Dope. All right. First fish of the day. Cold. All right. That's a big boy. I'd say what, 3? Good size. It's on that point. Oh, dude. A little bit smaller. Maybe we've gotten all the big ones out. All right. Hey. Hey. No. We ain't gonna do this. Not today. Little guy, but I'll do the trick. Got another one. Yep. This one's big. Yeah. Dude. No, ain't big. It's just feisty. Dude, look how much this rod bends. This is fucking... That's a good size one. Oh my God. Dude, they're taking it right at the top of the fucking mouth every time. Every time. Yeah, man. There's a point or something, or a lay down that they're relating to right there. All right. So this is like number, what? Probably 7 total for us or something since we got to this little spot right here. And they've all been good size, except for the last one I caught was kind of a ding, but they're chunks. Yeah, dude, I'm just letting it chill. Like, I'm hopping it kind of, like slow hopping. Trying. Got one? Ooh, boy! Haha!
Oh my God.
Is it? Yeah. Oh it's pilling you, bro. But where the Big Daddy's at? There's no way. Dude, I'm already on. Yeah. You're good. This one's big. Dude, what? Oh, man, I was kind of discouraged earlier, but. Bro. Oh my God. Look at this one. Nice. So Eric just got one. I just grabbed one. This, I think this is maybe a spotted bass. Most of them in here are spotted bass though. Oh, I mean, I'm gonna get weight because I'm curious. Okay, that other one was definitely 3 pounds or more because this one's 2.5 or 2.4. This dude just tried to bite me. That's a chunk though, man. I ain't complaining. And it's just, they just smash it. Oh, you're fine. I'm like a little bit. Got one. This one might be a little bit bigger. Oh my God. Bro, Shelby's gonna be pissed. Oh my God. I got this situation going on right here. Oh my God, no. No. It's the second time this fucking rod's been dunked. Whenever I was out at, oh, you did not swallow that, motherfucker. Oh, you did. Oh, no, okay. Huh. Another little chunk. Cool. Hey, Eric's camera, can you see me? Here's a chunk. Actually, that one was like right just to the right of you. There's something I got stuck on right there, and then once I popped off of it, he fucking just ate it. Okay. You see that stick up right there in the middle? That's where I caught him on. It's right there.
I don't know if this is right. Can I use your scale? Because if it is, holy.
Yeah, hold on. What does it say? This ain't very big.
I don't even want to say until I.
No, even the small ones aren't that small. That's definitely, I mean, I'm assuming it says like 7 pounds or so.
It says 6 points. And to be honest, it does feel every bit of.
It might just be stubby, dude. Let's see. Hold on. Pretty much what I just did, like, where I just like let it sit for a while. That always fucking happens to me whenever I'm like getting out of bird's nest. I'll get the bird's nest out and then just like, there'll be one on the line. All right. There's another one. Yeah, apparently. Holy crap. Like, I haven't even seen it yet. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Dude. That was probably a 6-pounder.
Yeah, he's a good one.
Holy shit.
You bust your line?
No, he just came off. I was trying to net him.
Yeah, that was a good one.
That, yeah. Oh, this might be him again. Oh, God. This might be the same one, though. Oh, man. Oh, my God. That one broke me off for sure. Oh, my gosh. All right. Yeah, that one was probably 4 or 5 for sure. Dude, I can't believe I missed both of probably the biggest fish I've ever caught in my fucking life, man. Oh my God! Whoa! Did you just see that? Oh, it's that! Dude, it's a fucking drum, bro. It's a drum, I think.
As I said, there's no way it's a fucking
Dude.
That is a dolphin.
Oh my God. Am I recording? Oh my God. Dude. This is the... Oh. This is like a 10-pound drum. Or bigger. I don't know. Do I have him foul hooked? Oh, I have him foul hooked in the fucking tail. Yeah. I think I had him on. And then he spit it. Yeah, look at this shit, dude. Oh my God. This is insane. Oh my God, dude. This is huge. Huh?
I just don't want you breaking off.
Oh my God. He's definitely getting worn out. I think I had him. And whenever he jumped, he spit it. Oh my God. Dude, I'm so...
Throw me your net.
Yeah.
if I can
Hang
get
on.
it for you. So as soon as I have it,
Yeah. All right. See, so I'm gonna try not to get his tail. Dude, this thing is huge. Oh my god. This fool's just dragging me around, bro. Okay. All right. How big do you think this is, man?
Dude, that's at least 10, 12 pounds. Like, it's gotta be. I haven't seen the whole thing. What kind of test do you have on?
8. All right, you ready? Right there. Oh my god.
I'm not gonna be able to neck this fucking here.
Oh my god. Dude, that shit will shred your. Oh my god. I mean, I can't. He won't pop off. If he pops off, I really won't be mad. But holy crap, this is a huge fish. All right, there you go. There you go. There you go. Oh my god, how's he feel? I try and net him in the head.
Oh, he's gone.
Dude.
That thing was huge. That hurt real bad.
Jesus, that hook has to be bent, dude. Did it cut you? Dude, that was like, well, my drag system, this is a great reel, turns out. Oh my
I wish
god.
we could have got that in, but that was like barely in his tail.
Dude, that might have been like that could have been like 15-pound fucking. That's the biggest one I've ever caught. Look at my kayak. I'm filled with water.
You're drinks, my guy.
Oh my god. Dude, I thought it was huge.
I wish we could have
Is
got
that,
that.
was that him?
Yeah, that's him.
God, that motherfucker.
I wish we could have got him, man. I'm sorry.
I know, dude. It's fine. I mean, that would have been fun, but I mean, it was a drum. Oh my god, everything is soaked. Jesus.
Yeah, he slapped me pretty good too.
Huh? Dude, he like gave me like droves of fucking water, man. Golly. All right, well, that was fun. Everything feels like a beast on this, man. That one's not bad. All right. Another chunk right there. I'm fucking soaking wet from that drum. Let's get a little juice boy. Swallowed the crap out of that jig. Okay, he's all right. That was a good size one though. God, it took forever. Yeah. Ugh. Did you speed it up or anything? Oh, I think I just got by it actually. Yeah. Well, they're back. This one's a little guy. Dubs, dubs, dubs. This is definitely a spotted bass. You can just tell.
So you said the ones with the little rough patch on the tongues are spots?
Yeah. And they also have like a connected dorsal fin. I'm a little bit in front of you. I got another one on. Yeah, I don't know what it is. This one's small. They're small right there. There must be a bed. They're just fucking chilling right there. Sitting like this for this long is fucking killing me. Where you at? A little bit up. Oh. I'm dying. Yeah, this makes me never want to come out here without my kayak. Are you on?
Oh yeah.
Dude, keep that line bent, boy. That's a good one.
Ooh. Sorry, he pulled me straight in front of you.
Oh, you're good. I'll just go under you. I think I got one on. I do.
1, 2?
Yep. Oh, this one's good.
Dude, what the? This is magic.
You're gonna see him before I do. How's he look? I think he just boiled. He's okay. Double hookups, biggies too. This one. Oh God. You're good. I don't need to measure this one. I mean, I know it's probably about 2.5 ounce. My ass is fucking soaked. Oh my God. Well, we did it. Yeah, we're back on dry land, and today was a success. They started off super slow because we kind of took the wrong way, and then we just wasted time. But then we came back here in this main creek channel, and we killed them. We got what we were looking for today, so it was a good day. We both lost some monsters, and that's upsetting, but, you know, there will be another time. So we got the yaks. We're loading up. There's Eric. As disappointed as I am for missing the 2 huge ones, and that carp as well was on there. That was not a carp. It was a drum. That thing was huge. So, yeah. Anyways, that's that. Yo, what's up? I'm finally back home. I'm unpacked, got the yak out of the car, I got all the rods out of the car. Today was an insane day. So basically what happened is we went up a creek arm, and there was just nothing in there. So we came back down, and we hit the main channel, and once we got back to the main channel, they just fired up. I caught like a 3-pounder right off the bat. It's actually like a 3.5-pounder right off the bat. You saw in the video I lost 3 ginormous fish. They are humongous, and I feel so stupid, but, you know, we go on to live another day, and hopefully I'll catch them. One of them was a drum. I think is what happened was I hooked into its mouth, and then it shook it, and then I foul hooked it in the back on accident, and that was the craziest thing. I mean, I tried to land it. It just didn't happen. I threw Eric my net, and he tried to land it, and it just ended up splashing me, and I got soaking wet. But anyways, the other 2 were definitely bass, and either one of them would definitely been my PB had I landed them. But I was on this little Whitebird favorite rod, which is awesome. took a beating today and did great. But I just needed something with a little more backbone, something that could really have stuck it to it. But, you know, and maybe it was a user error as well. You know, I might have slacked up too much and it probably spit it. Actually, one of them, like, my knot broke right at the jig head. So, yeah, anyways, eventful day. I can't complain. We boated so many fish, and it was awesome. Love days like that. But yeah, those fall fatties, we got them. We went after them, and we got them. So yeah, it was definitely a good day. Definitely excited. Hopefully, I'll have some more adventures up soon. Like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend, and just stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace.